When I was 18, I decided I want to make a contribution to the world, and I seriously think that being an engineer is has a great social responsibility, because engineers shape the environment, work with it, work in harmony with it, and build things that last.
I've always wanted a career. I didn't know what quite direction to take. Like most people at that age, you don't know what to do. I was always good at maths, I was always good at science, and I wanted it to work to my strengths.
Based on my experience at university, I discovered and wanted to explore engineering, but it certainly wasn't something as a young girl that I really wanted to get into. But I'm really glad I have. It's been so much more than I anticipated it could be.
When I first started back in the early 80s, I think there was misconceptions. It was a very male-dominated arena. In my field, I was the only woman engineer, and it was good to see that over the forthcoming years beyond that, there were more graduates coming on board. It's important, I think, International Women's Day, because it's a great forum to spread the message.
International Women in Engineering Day highlights that women are involved, are successful in all disciplines across engineering, and most importantly that they really enjoy their job.
I have been recently involved in the construction area experience, seeing with lots of pride and surprise how many women were participating to it, in listening to them, seeing how they were moving their hands, explaining how things might work on site, what was the sequencing of the work, seeing with their own eyes the process. That was a moment of pride for me.
It is such a rewarding experience. You invest so much of your time developing something, creating something, and it's going to be there long after you're gone. There are no 2 days the same in engineering. You're constantly evolving, you're constantly changing, and you're constantly experiencing and learning, and you never stop learning.
What I find most exciting about the profession of the engineer is that the engineer has to find solutions to problems, even when at the beginning doesn't have a clue how to approach them. The fantastic thing is that we have a set of tools and skills that we take from our belt when we have to solve a problem, and we solve it.
Something that's very exciting about engineering and interesting is that there is continual change. Policies are being published or new products coming to the market, such as a new type of flood defence, that is important for us as engineers to know about so that we can advise clients properly and make sure that schemes are as robust as they can be.
Being an engineer, it must never be a boring job, because you don't have time to. You have to solve problems, you have to act quick.
I do feel now, in comparison to 10 years ago, I started, women are more involved in all sides of construction, and many more of the clients and project managers are now women, and I think it's slowly changing the dynamic, which can only be a positive.